Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today it's a quick look at prefixes. A couple of letters in front of a word that often changes the meaning from positive to negative. For example, un, un, dis, dis, im, im. First of all, have a look at this sentence. Can you put in the correct prefix to complete the word? Have a look at the sentence. It was a very attractive plan, but highly impractical. It was highly impractical. Have a look at this second sentence. Half the electorate remain about how they will vote. Half the electorate remain about how they will vote. What's the prefix? Un, undecided. The electorate remains undecided about how they will vote. One more. He faced accusations that he had been to his head teacher. He faced accusations that he had been to his head teacher. What's the prefix? Dis, D-I-S, disrespectful. It makes respectful negative. Disrespectful to his head teacher. So there we are, some prefixes in English to make words negative. They are easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.